Brand new Toyota Tacomas are losing $12,000 in value with just 4,000 miles on the odometer. Owners are dumping these trucks faster than they can break them in, and Toyota's legendary reliability reputation is crumbling. The most reliable truck in America is breaking down before the first oil change, and what we discovered will change how you see Toyota forever. Transmission failures, destroying owner confidence. The most alarming issue plaguing the 2024 and 2025 Tacoma involves the 8-speed automatic transmission. Toyota recently issued a technical service bulletin addressing transmission failures in certain 2024 Tacoma models equipped with the automatic gearbox. The failures stem from stuck pressure control solenoid actuators, or torque converter, clutch actuators stuck in the off position. Owners report symptoms ranging from rough or delayed shifting to complete transmission failure requiring full replacement. Consumer Reports has projected below average reliability for the 2025 Tacoma, citing the new powertrain as a key concern. Consider the owner who purchased their 2024 Tacoma with fewer than 2,000 miles, only to feel the transmission slip. This isn't a minor inconvenience. It's a fundamental breach of the trust that Toyota built over decades. Multiple owners report hesitation during acceleration, jerky transitions between electric and gas modes in hybrid models, and tow-haul mode resetting issues, while Toyota dealers are providing software updates and replacing faulty transmissions under warranty. The psychological impact of experiencing transmission problems in a brand new Toyota truck cannot be overstated. Steep depreciation, contradicting brand reputation. Toyota Tacomas have historically held their value better than virtually any vehicle in the automotive market. That reputation is taking a serious hit with the fourth-generation models. Multiple reports show 2024 TRD off-road models with around 13,000 miles listed at $38,400, when these trucks likely sold for approximately $48,000 after destination fees and dealer markups. That $9,600 drop represents approximately 20% depreciation in less than a year. During the pandemic and chip shortage era, Tacomas regularly sold at or above MSRP due to scarcity. Now that inventory has normalized, the market is experiencing a rapid correction. Every dollar of dealer markup effectively becomes the first depreciation hit the moment the truck leaves the lot. The situation gets worse when you factor in broader market perception. Dealers are offering $4,000 discounts off sticker price, yet trucks continue sitting on lots. Potential buyers express wariness about new Toyota truck reliability. Owners of 2022 and 2023 third-generation Tacomas with V6 engines are finding their older trucks hold value better than the redesigned 2024 models. New turbocharged engine disappointing owners. Toyota's decision to replace the proven 3.5-liter V6 with a 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder represents a massive technological leap, generating mixed reactions from owners. The base turbocharged engine produces 228 horsepower and 243 pound-feet of torque in entry-level models, increasing to 278 horsepower and 317 pound-feet in higher trims. While the torque figures represent an improvement on paper, real-world performance hasn't met owner expectations. Multiple owners report turbo lag, hesitation during acceleration, and inconsistent throttle response. The engine requires adjustment to power mode for acceptable response, but running in power mode significantly reduces the already modest fuel economy gains. The non-hybrid 2.4-liter turbo achieves EPA ratings of 19 miles per gallon city, 23 miles per gallon highway, and 20 miles per gallon combined in four-wheel drive configurations. These numbers essentially match the previous generation's V6 ratings. Owners report real-world combined fuel economy ranging from 18 to 22 miles per gallon, depending on driving conditions. The fuel economy disappointment stings particularly hard because Toyota marketed the new powertrain as more efficient. Hybrid system not delivering expected value. The iForce Max hybrid powertrain sounded promising on paper. The hybrid produces 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque, substantial increases over the gas-only version. In practice, the hybrid's benefits prove disappointing relative to its significant cost premium. The hybrid iForce Max achieves EPA ratings of 22 miles per gallon combined in most configurations, with the limited trim reaching 24 miles per gallon combined. Compare these figures to the gas-only engine's 20 miles per gallon combined rating. Buyers are paying $5,000 to $8,000 or more for the hybrid system, depending on trim level, yet gaining only 1 to 2 miles per gallon in real-world driving. Multiple hybrid owners report averaging between 18 and 22 miles per gallon in mixed driving conditions. Even more frustrating, several owners report the gas-only engine feels quicker in certain real-world acceleration scenarios, despite producing less power on paper. Cramped rear seating creating family vehicle problems. Toyota improved the Tacoma's interior significantly with the 4th generation redesign, particularly in materials quality and front seat comfort. The rear seats, however, remain a persistent problem. Rear legroom in the Tacoma double cab measures approximately 33.7 inches. The Chevrolet Colorado offers around 34.7 inches, while the Honda Ridgeline provides over 36 inches of rear legroom. The situation becomes more problematic with the TRD Pro and Trailhunter models. These off-road focused variants come equipped with ISO-NA-MIC performance seats, engineered specifically for serious trail work. The specialized construction and thicker bolstering of these performance-oriented seats push them further back into the cabin, further encroaching on already limited rear passenger space. Multiple owners report their families complaining during road trips, with teenage children particularly vocal about the cramped quarters. Premium pricing, with mandatory hybrid and limited equipment. Toyota's pricing strategy for the 2024 and 2025 Tacoma has frustrated buyers who want specific features without being forced into the hybrid powertrain. Want the limited trim with its upgraded interior materials? You must accept the hybrid powertrain. Interested in the TRD Pro or Trailhunter for maximum off-road capability? The hybrid comes standard with no alternative option. Base Tacomas start in the mid-$30,000 range, but stepping up to a limited hybrid or top off-road trims quickly pushes pricing into the mid-$50,000 range and beyond. The TRD Pro starts around $60,000. Compare these figures to competitors. The Chevrolet Colorado ZR2 starts in the low $50,000 range. The Ford Ranger Raptor prices in the mid-50s. That $10,000 gap between a TRD Pro and a Colorado ZR2 translates to a complete suspension upgrade, premium off-road tires, a roof rack, and lighting setup, with money remaining. The mandatory hybrid policy feels particularly restrictive for buyers who simply want a well-equipped truck without hybrid complexity. The market is responding accordingly. Used Tacomas from the 3rd generation with proven V6 engines are holding value better than brand new 4th generation models. If you found this information valuable, subscribe to our channel for more in-depth automotive analysis. Hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews.